Good morning, everybody. We're gonna go out to the greenhouse, see how things are going. It's been just dumping rain here. Unbelievable amount of rain. Oh, check this out. Had this onion that was sitting in the refrigerator. I dropped it in there and it's already putting out 2 little onion shoots. These guys are just sets that I planted in there. They're from seed. There's little ones in here still. And they're coming. Onions are doing fine. Let's check out the corn. No corn yet. The beans I haven't covered up yet. The peas, you can see the peas are just after they got decimated. I have more peas coming, but I gotta put some string up around these peas. But not today. Shut that down. All right. Tomatoes these are doing pretty good. This is just a cherry tomato. The peppers are doing good. Peppers are doing fine. It's got some new little plants coming on. These guys where I snipped the top off, starting to sprout. Where I snipped the top off of this one, it's starting to go. Same with this one. So yeah, they are all doing pretty well. Yeah. So yeah, that's really good news. Happy about that. Look at this banana. The banana tree is starting to come out of it. These are just pups that I took off. And at the end of this week, we're supposed to have some really good into the 80s weather. My wife went on a trip down to California and she came back with some ranunculus. So we're supposed to plant these in the fall, but I'm going to try and see if I can get them to go. Maybe I can divide them, and by the fall, see if they'll grow this year, and then divide them in the fall and plant them again in the greenhouse. I mean, it's a perfect spot in the greenhouse for them. I have more onions coming. Cucumbers are doing fine. Grapes are doing amazing. Yeah. Here's my peas, sugar snap peas, and they seem to be coming along. I'm going to stick them outside tomorrow. Oh, look at this. Will you look at this? I got more of these guys that are coming on the grapevine. Constantly have to be watching. Otherwise, you get these long suckers. Get my garbage can out of it. Look at the suckers on the bottom. Now, these are coming off below the graft. Here's my graft right here. And these are rootstock. I might want to save these so I have more rootstock, because I can make more rootstock out of those and then graft these on. What's this guy doing? All right, get him up underneath the wire. They just keep going and going. They're getting to the top here. Get up under there. I didn't want to fall down. I should have put another tie wire here. I might have to do that. Or I can just snip them. But I think I'll put another tie wire here this week. These guys, I snipped these off here. Maybe I'll do that, because they seem to be high enough. Maybe I'll just cut these off at this height. But I am going to need, you see how this tie wire on this side is just below this bar, this upper bar here. Same height over here. I need one right there. So I'm going to do that this week. I'm going to put a tie wire up in here to hold these back, and then I'll snip it off right at this height, just like I did with these guys, all the way down here. I'm going to do that on this side over here. This tie wire I should have put down here. See, I don't need it going up in here. It goes up in here in the very tip, up in the apex here, in the crown, and it starts jamming its way looking for light. And I don't need that problem. So, that's a job for this week. I'll be glad when the rain stops. I gotta mow my lawn. I got some planting to do out there in the garden. I want to plant those cucumbers. I want to plant these zinnias. It's just a lot of stuff I got to get doing. I got to weed that garden out there and start my pumpkins. It's time. It's time, and summer is coming fast. It's coming fast. Yeah. The greenhouse is kind of a mess right now. It's just got everything still kind of crammed in here, waiting for the good weather. So much rain out there. It's just too much rain. But the peppers are doing great. The tomato is doing great. Cucumbers are doing fine. The grapevines are doing fine. These grapes up here are doing great. I can't complain. I can't complain. Life's pretty good. Life's pretty good. We've got our water. Peppers are doing fantastic. Still raining out there. Hasn't stopped raining for about 4 days, 5 days. But we are supposed to get some really nice weather. Need to transplant those. There's a few geraniums there. All right. Ah, finally. Not all my things work. Sometimes they just don't go and you got to start over. Throw them away. Try again. All right. Yeah, see, now this geranium, it still has green on it, but there's not a root. It's been there for 2 months. It feels pretty solid. I'm going to cut it at that node there. Try again. Still green. I mean, I cut it off so you can see. Still nice and green inside. We'll redip it. Try this one too. Same thing. No, this one is, no, this one's dead. That one is dead. Not going anywhere. This one, dead. All right. So just that one. We'll just try some different media. Okay. What are you going to do, though? Try. Try again. There was one pepper that I didn't take the tip out of, wasn't there? That one's got two. That one's good, that one's good, that one's good. That one's good. I guess I did them all. I forgot to water the banana. Got this banana. Bring it up here for you. Look at that. There's two of them here. I'll give it a water. Cut this off here. There. Cut the tip off. This one, it just didn't go at all. It's all dead. But these two are good. They started growing. Kind of, when I dug that last one up, it didn't quite get enough root. That's all right. Guess that's all I can do today.